Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and an annoyance, and I see it from viewers. There was actually a new comment only a few minutes ago that I've seen, and I can relate to how annoying and frustrating it could be. And it's the fact that, as the viewer says, oh, we're talking about 26H1, 26H2. We're talking about these new things. But we still can't have the darn new features of 25H2, 24H2 in many cases. And in this case, even more frustrating, is SSD drive failed. Reinstalled Windows with Microsoft's image. And ends up with 25H2 that doesn't have the new features that were there before. So now he's back to the start menu that was before rather than the new start menu that he had before. And I'm stuck with that old menu here. I have the new menu on a Windows Insider machine. I'm waiting for that new start menu to come here. I'm tired of having to deal with the old one. I want to have the new one. And so there are things that appear, there are things that are not, and some people have it, some people don't. Every time we talk about some of the new features of 25H2, 24H2, it's, I got it, I don't have it, you have it, I don't have it. There was another one today where I was, an old video a few weeks ago, where I showed something about the famous panel here, the phone link panel for your phone that appears if you want. And there is also another one today that I saw a comment of, well, I don't have this. I don't even have these sliders in the settings app that talk about it. And this is where it's very annoying for Windows and for all of this. You might have it, you might not have it. There's no clear indication why you have it or not. And in some cases, like we have here, you might reinstall Windows and your new features are gone and they're not showing up. And you got updates and they're still not there. This is a totally annoying thing. And I think Microsoft should stop that. You got a feature, you got a feature. Just turn it on. Everyone has it. Everyone uses it. And it's even more complicated for, imagine somebody like me that makes videos, wants to talk about a feature, but that feature might have changed for some, but not for everyone. And so you don't know if you're talking about it, if it's useful or not. Yeah, it's darn annoying. And this is my daily rant today. Annoying Microsoft of turning on or off features, and you don't even know if you'll have features back if you reinstall Windows. Yeah, very annoying. And if you search, there's a thing called Vive tools that you can choose, can download on GitHub. And from there, if you get the different feature numbers, you can actually turn on everything manually using that. But still, it shouldn't be that complicated. You should just, you install, you update, and there you go. You got it all. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.